Hello again, it's Roland with the Delmi Training Institute, and I just got notification that a package was dropped off by TSOC, Transglobal Systems of Canada, one of our great partners. They've been strong advocates for the Delmi Training Institute. They've been great supporters, and anytime they have products and they want us to be able to put that before the students, they stop by and drop them off. So Delmi Training Institute will have that opportunity to test them, give them to the students will have the opportunity to test them as well. It's in this box that they just dropped off today. Let's see. Packaging slip. Well, it's got a lot of items in this, as you can see. There you go. So obviously, first of all, we have some quick reference guides of the products. We have some face plates with some unique jacks in. So these are the one-port voice over IP mount face plate. So it's a face plate that comes with some jacks. Oh, this is awesome. So these are TSOC field termination modular plugs. I saw that on their website and I said to Imran that I think that was cool. Part number is MP-8P8C6ASS. I'll leave that link below. This is the position 8 connection points, RJ45 solid Cat6A shielded industrial field termination modular plug. Currently, there are no tools involved in terminating this. It's got the cable tray where you're going to feed in all the cable, and once you're done, you just have to put this on there, and once you squeeze that, it locks it in. Thank you, Imran, for sending this over. The students are going to be amazed to test that out, and we'll definitely give an honest feedback of this product, how it works. So it's a TSOC branded product. I'm excited to put this also before our students to see how that works out. So this one here again is the outdoor weatherproof jack, aluminum. Aluminum loaded with RJ45 Cat6 Keystone Gray. Oh, it's got that rubber grommet here that you're able to feed the cable in and do the field termination, and you already have that female category 6 jack already inbuilt. This one here is for a category 6 Keystone jack, so you could get a 6A variation from them and just plug that in. So interesting product. So now there's another box here. There you go. So I'm just going to take one of them. This is the category 6 RJ45 Keystone data module jack with the cap. Look at that. It's your Keystone jack that you have here. This is a category 6. See, the things I love about these things are it comes with a dust cap. They gave you 4 different dust caps. You could identify them. Right, so this is a blank. That's a telephone and that's a computer on it. And this just says category 6. And then it comes with the retaining clip. All these are in one pack, and we got a whole box of that.